In this video, I will show you how to change color in Illustrator. We begin with an Adobe Illustrator document, and as you can see, the image we want to recolor is already inserted. To start, we're going to use the standard selection tool from the toolbar on the left. So we click on the image, and then we navigate to the window menu at the top of the screen. From there, we locate the image trace panel and we open it. Before adjusting any settings, we make sure to check the preview box. Next, we go to the View menu and choose Tracing Result. Scrolling down, we reach the Mode section, which offers 3 different ways to vectorize the artwork, and we select Color. In the Palette section, we click and pick the Limited option. Then in the Color section, we leave the value at 30. After that, we activate the Auto Group option and press Expand. Then we choose the panel by clicking the X and click outside the canvas to deselect the image. Using the Direct Selection tool, I select this layer of the image. In the color box on top, I pick blue and it changes.